All right, welcome to the fourth session of our tech workshop. In this fourth session, we'll be looking at the role of tech in business, how you can, as a business person, how you can integrate tech into your business. You remember that in the last session, the third session, we'll take an overview of career opportunities within tech, and then we'll look at steps, things you can do, just tips that can help you choose the right career path. So in this session, we are going to be looking at the role of technology in business. Then we are going to look at tech-driven business models. Then we look at how to integrate technology into your business. That we will do as soon as we are back from this commercial break.
Hi there. Thank you for choosing to participate in our workshop. We're thrilled to have you on this learning journey with us. If you just came across this video online or on our channel, you can access all the workshop videos on our website at jomorc.com or on our YouTube channel at Jomo Mentorship. Looking to take your skills to the next level? Explore our wide range of in-depth courses at elearn.jomorc.com. Here's a glimpse of what we offer. Number 1, customer service essentials. Number 2, team building and management. Number 3, corporate profiling and job application. Number 4, personal and servant leadership. Number 5, human resource management. Number 6, communication and public speaking. Number 7, project management. Number 8, marketing and branding. And finally, number 9, counseling and conflict resolution. Whether you prefer learning remotely or at your own pace, we've got you covered with flexible and engaging learning experiences. Visit elearn.jomorc.com today and start building the future you deserve.
All right, welcome back from the commercial break. Like I've mentioned severally at the course of this workshop, the tech space is invading every discipline, is invading everywhere. If you are currently running a business and the business does not integrate tech into it, that business is going to go into extinction. It's just a matter of time. If your business doesn't have tech integrated in it, it doesn't have tech, embedded in it, it's not going to last. It's going to go out of business. It's just a matter of when, right? And it will shock you how it will just happen. So if you are any kind of business you are running, no matter how remote it is, it becomes necessary for you to sit down and think about how to integrate some level of tech into it. What are the tech components that support or that business support? Now, what are some of the roles that technology plays in business? Number 1 is what? Automation and efficiency. Using software and AI to streamline repetitive tasks can help you to maintain efficiency and ease automation. If there is anything you are doing repeatedly, ask yourself, is there any instrument, is there any software out there that can help me to be doing this thing? You understand? And that is very, very critical. Then the next is look at tools like Zipper, tools like Microsoft Power Automate, Notion, Trello. These are tools that can help you to automate, your certain tasks in your business. So automation and efficiency is very, very important, because one of the challenges business people face is maintaining efficiency, so that the customer experience is the same. If a customer buys something from you today and it's wow, the customer that comes in tomorrow should also be able to feel the same way, so that on a daily basis you're able to give the same level of efficiency and the same level of satisfaction without doubt. Next is e-commerce and online sales. If you are running a business, the next thing you need to be able to do is to be able to develop the ability to transact online. And this is very, very critical. It is important that you have the capacity to transact your business online. And these things are things that are made possible, as we have reviewed in the previous sessions. These things are things that are already made very, very possible within tech. I mentioned to you earlier at Jomo Resource Center, we sell courses to people that we don't even know, people that have never seen us. They take the courses, we don't, no interruption, nothing, and we face more important tasks than teaching. So we have automated our teaching process, right? So that is very, very critical. Now, to do this, you want to look at to platforms such as Shopify. You want to look at WooCommerce. You want to look at Jumia. You want to look at Konga. Anything you are selling, and you need to be able to sell to other people in the other locations, and you need to be able to transact online, collect your money, deliver the product or deliver the service. All of these are all part of e-commerce. The next is marketing and customer engagement. Marketing and customer engagement is a very, very critical component of every business. You need to be able to reach out to customers. You need to be able to engage those who have bought from you. You need to be able to reach out to new customers, new leads, target audience. You need to be able to reach new people so that you can get more and more customers. And the tech space have created an enabling environment for you to do this. If you're a business person, I don't know why you will not take advantage of this. Some of the tools you can use are Facebook ads, Google ads, Instagram, MailChimp. That is when it comes to email marketing. Now, number 4 is what? Cloud computing. Now, cloud computing has to do with your ability to store information, and work remotely. If you are working in a business where there are different people need to work on the same project, maybe at different point or at the same time, then cloud computing is very, very critical to you. You understand? You need to integrate it so that your people are able to work remotely and then work simultaneously. And then this will also speed up your tasks, so you're able to deliver fast and quickly. You understand? Some of the tools that you can use for your cloud services will include Google Drive. Your Google Drive, you can buy more space on your Google Drive and use it. So once you are working on a particular project, your various staffs or various team members who are working on that particular project are able to do so, whether it is at the same time or simultaneously. You understand? And then Microsoft OneDrive. Microsoft OneDrive is also another platform that you can use as a cloud service. Then you have AWS. AWS is also another platform that you can also use for your cloud servicing. Then finally is what? Financial management and fintech solutions. Financial management in your business is very, very critical. Keeping record of your finances, using digital tools for business accounting and transactions, is very, very critical. And some of the tools you can use will include Paper, Flutterwave, QuickBooks, Wave Accounting. Paper, for example, and Flutterwave helps you to collect money from your customers. They make sure your customers pay for your services. For example, at Jomo Resource Center, if you are going to buy a course, you have to pay for the course first. You don't have anything like the customer do part payment, you are now following up the customer, you have not paid balance, you have not done nothing like that. You pay. As you pay, you have access to your product, you have access to whatever service that it is you are buying from us. You understand? So you see how we have been. We don't have to go running after people that they are paying us, right? Then tools like QuickBooks and Wave accounts, will help you keep your records. You understand? Thank you very much. Now we'll take a quick commercial break. When we return from this break, we shall look at tech-driven business models.
Hi there. Thank you for choosing to participate in our workshop. We're thrilled to have you on this learning journey with us. If you just came across this video online or on our channel, you can access all the workshop videos on our website at jomorc.com or on our YouTube channel at Jomo Mentorship. Looking to take your skills to the next level? Explore our wide range of in-depth courses at elearn.jomorc.com. Here's a glimpse of what we offer. Number 1, business planning and implementation. Number 2, business documentation and accounting. Number 3, business registration and legalization. Number 4, agribusiness establishment and management. Number 5, decoration and events planning enterprise. Number 6, fashion design enterprise. Number 7, food processing and packaging. Number 8, green energy enterprise. Number 9, oil and gas enterprise. Number 10, real estate and construction enterprise. Number 11, technology and security enterprise. And number 12, fintech and e-commerce enterprise. Whether you prefer learning remotely or at your own pace, we've got you covered with our flexible and engaging training experiences. Visit elearn.jomorc.com today and start building the future you deserve.
Welcome back from that quick commercial break. And now let us look at some of the tech business models that you should buy. Number 1, is e-commerce businesses, selling physical or digital product online. Physical products are products that people can buy and hold it handy, whatever it is, as long as it's physical and it's tangible. And then digital products are, products that you can sell online that people can buy, and maybe intellectual products, services, and all that. These are things that people can buy from you without necessarily without any physical exchange. E-commerce business, if your business deals with selling physical products, you may want to consider it transforming it. Like I mentioned earlier, that you have to find a way to involve tech in your business. You understand? Tech have to come into your business in some way, and you will be the one to figure that out. So look at what you are selling, look at the people you are selling to, look at the people that you can still sell to, and then find a way to go e-commerce. You understand? Then the next model is freelancing and remote work. Again, the tech create a space for you to freelance and for you to work remotely from anywhere, either as a provider, as a content creator, as a video editor, wherever it is that you are doing, as a programmer. There is that space for you as a tech expert to be able to take your skill, to be able to take your skill remotely or offer your services remotely. The next is subscription-based businesses. Subscription-based businesses are businesses on which people subscribe to get access to a particular product, a particular service for a period of time. So you can say daily subscription, monthly subscription, weekly subscription, yearly subscription. So people pay, and then for that period, they're able to have access to that particular service or that particular product. And then when their subscription elapses, you cease the access, right? So again, tech enables us to do this. So if you have a product or a service that you are rendering, and you know that this model can fit into it, by all means, try and do it. Next is what affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is making money from other people's product by advertising and helping them sell that particular product. There are people that have product and they don't know how to sell it. You affiliate with them, you get commission for every sale that you are able to close. So this is another way you can, as a business person, you can look for affiliate marketers who can help you sell your product. In exchange, you give them some commission, right? The next is software as a service. You can building and selling cloud-based software solutions. You understand? So people come. What we mean by this is we build a software that can enable people, that can enable collaboration. People pay. Some of the softwares I have introduced to you here as enabling collaboration and softwares that you have to pay to, and some of them are software you have to pay to access. So how does it work? Person create a space for you to put in all your work so that all your staff are able to access that particular project at the same time. Then you pay maybe on subscription basis or on project basis. You understand? So if you're a software developer, you might also want to tick on that line, whether you are developing game or you are developing an app that people can use to make their tasks easier, whatever it is. You understand? It's still a good way to go. We'll take this quick break, and then when we return, I'm going to talk about how you can integrate tech into your business.
Hi there. Thank you for choosing to participate in our workshop. We're thrilled to have you on this learning journey with us. If you just came across this video online or on our channel, you can access all the workshop videos on our website at jomorc.com or on our YouTube channel at Jomo Mentorship. Looking to take your skills to the next level? Explore a wide range of in-depth courses at elearn.jomorc.com. Here's a glimpse of what we offer. Number 1, digital marketing fundamentals. Number 2, website optimization and marketing. Number 3, search engine marketing. Number 4, social media marketing. Number 5, content marketing. Number 6, email marketing. Number 7, digital analytics and reporting. Number 8, mobile marketing. Number 9, online reputation management. Number 10, artificial intelligence in digital marketing. Number 11, content creation and copywriting. And finally, number 12, affiliate and CPA marketing. Whether you prefer learning remotely or at your own pace, we've got you covered with flexible and engaging learning experience. Visit elearn.jomorc.com today and start building the future you deserve.
Okay, welcome back from that quick commercial break. Before we went on the break, I promised you that when we return, I'm going to talk to you about how you can, integrate tech into your business if you're a business person, right? Now, number one is by building an online presence. You must be present on social media, you must be present on other online platforms that can project your business, that can project what you do. Set up a website, set up your social media profiles, be on Facebook, be on Instagram, be on TikTok, be on LinkedIn, have a LinkedIn profile. This is very, very important. Very, very important. Wherever you are, irrespective of your location, you need to be present online. And by being present, I mean you should be present. People should feel your presence. Do something, say something, and make people to constantly notice you. You see that you have a Facebook page does not mean that you are live online. You need to be alive online. You can be online and not be alive online, right? So you need to be there, and people need to be seeing that you are there, because if you can be there and be dead online, right? You are there, no activity is going on, nothing is going on. So you are not alive there. So you need to be alive online. The next is adopting digital payment solutions. So again, you can adopt digital payment solutions. We have mentioned some of those solutions before: PayPal, Flutterwave, among others. You understand? So you can use these platforms to collect money from clients. By so doing, you'll be integrating tech into your business. You understand? It makes it easy for people to place order, makes it easy for people to pay you, makes it easy for people to get their delivery, makes it easy for people to just interact with you and to do business with you. The next is use data and analytics. This is very, very important. It is important for you to rely on data for every decision you want to make within your business. Understand? So it's important for you to take your data seriously, and then make sure that when you want to make a decision, that decision is born out of fact, because that is what data gives you. Data gives you the fact that is what on ground, gives you insight into how your business is doing, and by relying on that insight, you're able to make a better informed decision. The next is for you to leverage AI on automation. Find a way to automate many of the things that you do in your business. You understand? Find a way to automate it. Find a way to make it, to get machines, to get software to do it for you without you being directly involved, so that you can channel your time and your energy into doing more important things. Then lastly is what embrace the digital collaboration. Use tools like Zoom, Slack, Google Meet, and make your work remote and make your work flexible. Have meetings, you can communicate with clients via these channels. So embrace digital collaboration. Very, very critical. Now what are some of the things I want you to do after this session? After this session, I need you to identify a business idea and select the relevant tech tools that will be needed in that particular business idea. Just do this as a practical. Even if you don't have a business idea, just come up with any business idea and come up with some tech tools that they will need. The next is what draft a simple business model canvas, that will include tech, then set up a basic website for e-commerce. Thank you very much for participating in this session. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you.